Hello, welcome back to Cooking with Lauralee. I am Lauralee. Today I'm bringing you another wonderful collaboration with my YouTube warriors, Debbie Esplin from Debbie Esplin Food and Sandy from My G's Kitchen. These women are warriors in the kitchen and have fantastic recipes for you. You know the drill. Like, share, and subscribe. So for this collaboration, I teamed up with these wonderful ladies and we decided to do a collaboration together to do a snack or an appetizer. Since we are so close to the holidays, I decided to do a dessert, a sweet snack dessert. This is good for Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's, whatever holidays you plan to do. I actually did two versions as always. I did a homemade version and a shortcut version. 8 minutes at 350 and I think it's perfect. Let it cool down so it can set up. Please know that with my recipe you can always add 1/3 of a cup of sugar. I didn't add that to the pie crust because I thought it had enough sugar. However, because I didn't add sugar, my pie crust was a little bit more crumbly, but I don't mind that. So that's up to you. I decided to share and make two different versions. A homemade version just because for the holidays, most people who don't cook or like to cook usually do not take shortcuts and make the original or the homemade versions of their meals. I also share the short version just because everybody's busy nowadays. If you're hosting for the first time, any little shortcut will help. So I decided to share both of these versions. Oh yeah, that's the one. I was super excited to share this recipe because when I originally thought about the recipe, I thought, oh, it would be cool to have a cheesecake since it's one of my favorite desserts. Tastes like a sweet potato pie, which is one of my other favorite desserts for like the holidays. And I felt like I succeeded. It was a smooth combination of both cheesecake and sweet potatoes. So I hope this is a blessing to you and your home and your holidays this season. I do recommend that you go ahead and blend the sweet potatoes beforehand and then just kind of fold it into the frosting, just because it will help hold its shape. As I did it the way I did, I blended everything together, the frosting started to warm up and it was very soft, and so I had to put it in the refrigerator for a little bit to cool down, but then after that it was able to withhold itself. But I have to admit that frosting was delicious. And also know that if anybody has an allergy, just make sure that you warn them. Okay, so I'm not a baker or a piper, but just wanted to let you know that what I was trying to do was like a body, like a turkey body, but that didn't quite work. But that's okay because I needed to get rid of all of this frosting. So my hands are warm and the lights are making the frosting kind of melt. So I'm just gonna put it in the refrigerator so it can set up. I would just recommend to use maybe like half a cup or less than half a cup of sweet potatoes so that it can still set up pretty well. But I am actually pretty happy with this and I'm very proud, and it's kind of cute, weird but cute. And me and my daughters just did this yesterday and we had a lot of fun. Just getting creative, having fun in the kitchen. I hope you have enjoyed and learned something from my video. Please check out these ladies. They are very talented and have their own style and always bring their A game. Let them know I sent you. I hope you make this for Thanksgiving or for your upcoming holidays. Either way, know that my family and I are praying for you. These are some crazy times, but staying positive and faithful, we can get through anything. Take care.